his heart still says that Isa alayhi salam is a Muslim, Musa alayhi salam is a Muslim, and he wants to make that declaration and accept the final message of Islam. So Mike, welcome to the fold of Islam, inshallah. So I want you to repeat after me in Arabic, then we are going to repeat it in English, so that you will understand what you are saying. I know that you know what you will be saying, but so that you will understand it. And then inshallah, we will hide you and take you from a secret place outside, because if we don't, all those people, they're going to squeeze you. Okay, do you have good muscles?
A little bit.
Okay, so you're ready for the squeezing or to run away? Squeezing. He loves the community. So bring it close to you. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa Allah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulu Allah wa ashhadu anna Isa Rasulullah wa ashhadu anna Musa Rasulullah wa ashhadu anna anbiya Allah Rasulullah. Now we will say it in English. What we said in Arabic is not part of the kalima or the statement that Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, whereby when we say wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah, I bear witness that Muhammad is the messenger of Allah, and Muhammad says that Islam is for all the prophets. So what we said may be redundant, it is not part of the actual kalima, but we said it so that our heart will know what we are saying. So in English, we are going, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala preserve you and your heart. I bear witness that there is no deity worthy of worship except Allah. And I bear witness that Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. Can you guess why I said Allah instead of God? Let me tell you. Okay, now God is in English, so since we said I bear witness that there is no deity worthy of worship but God, that's how it is in English. But we said Allah, it's not because this is the God of Muslims, but it is the only Arabic word that has no plural. And because Islam is based on the oneness of God, we use Allah to make sure that even in the kalima, we are saying that God is one, Allah. So it's not because it's the God of Muslims, not the God of this. No, Allah is the God of the entire universe. That's why we said it this way. Okay, so now that's why he's here. Congratulations.
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!